My story. My sister and I came from Jamaica to England in the year 1964. Our parents had already been living there for at least 5 years. We came from the beautiful, sun-kissed, fruitful land where everything was free, or so I thought. I loved all fruits, but mangoes were my favorite. I was desperate to see my parents, especially my mother. I was 9 years old. I arrived at Manchester Airport. Suddenly, I heard someone shout, "Here they are." Then I saw my parents. It was a wonderful reunion. We settled in the city of Sheffield, living in shared accommodation. I was not used to that. Mr. Winter was my most formidable foe.